One of the best side hustles is flipping. And in this video, I'm going to give you some out of the box ideas on how to find stuff to flip, what kind of stuff to flip, and how you can make some extra money on the side doing this really easy and fun side hustle. One of the ways to find products to flip is by looking at one marketplace and flipping it on a different marketplace. A lot of times the way I used to flip stuff before is by going on a local marketplace, for example, like OfferUp or Let Go or something like that. Find deals on these sort of smaller local marketplaces and resell it on eBay. eBay is a huge marketplace with a lot more buyers, a lot more people are going to see your product, so you are a lot more likely to sell it. Just take better pictures, write a better description, clean up the product, and you can easily find really good deals that way and make money flipping from one marketplace to the other. You can go to garage sales. You have to be active and you have to make sure you know where they're going on. Go early. Find some good stuff, research the market, research products. You have to get good at this. You have to know what you're looking for if you're gonna find those gems. You have to know something about some kind of products, and the more you do this, the more you will learn. So don't overlook garage sales, yard sales, whatever it is. You can find some really cool gems there, and go look online. There are directories that will show you where there are garage sales, and you can always ask people if they know of any garage sales and do your due diligence, and you can really find some really cool stuff there. There are groups on Facebook where people give away free stuff. I've been on those groups. I've gotten a lot of good free stuff that I resold for a lot of money. People don't want to hassle with it. They don't want to sell the stuff. They want to be nice. They want to give it away. They just want it out of their house. You can go grab it. A lot of times you'll get something really good that you can resell. So look for these groups. Look for these online forums, local communities, whatever it is. You can find a lot of cool stuff that way that you can resell. Don't forget, you can always trade stuff. If you see something you like, offer the person something that you have. You never know, they might like it. It doesn't necessarily have to be the same value. They might be looking for something that they couldn't find anywhere else, or you just offer to them. They're like, oh yeah, this is really cool, I want it. And you can get something basically for free, or maybe even add a little bit of money, give away something you don't care about, you don't want, and get something that you can sell for money. This is really underrated, and you can always ask people if they want to trade, bargain with them. Use all the resources you can to find good deals on products. You can also sell stuff for other people. Ask your friends, ask your neighbors if they have stuff that they want to sell. A lot of people don't want to deal with it. They're not familiar with selling something online or on Facebook or whatever it is. They just want somebody to help them. They'll give you a bunch of money if you help them sell it. They might have a ton of stuff just laying around. So just go out there and ask people. See if people have stuff that they want to sell. If you're good at it, if you know how to list products and sell products online, you can definitely make some money this way. It's basically like consignment. You keep a portion of the money and you give them the rest. Now, here are some things that you can sell and some ways to think about it and how to find those products that you'll be able to flip. So a lot of people flip couches and big furniture and all that kind of stuff. Why? Because these are big, bulky items that people don't want to deal with, and they're very hard to throw out. So a lot of times, people just want to give this stuff away. When they list it, they'll put a price, they're trying to sell it, but in reality, most of the time, they just want it out of their house because it's big and it's bulky, and it's hard to get somebody to come pick it up. You're going to need a vehicle, you might need somebody to help you. So a lot of times, you can actually offer them less money, and they're probably willing to take it as long as you get it out of their house. Because that's truly why they're trying to sell this stuff and why they're getting rid of it. So remember that. Remember, you can always bargain, and remember that they're basically a motivated seller when they're selling this big, bulky, heavy stuff. Things that you can clean and resell. Think about it. Sneakers, huge business. Something like golf clubs, furniture, if you know how to refinish it, polish it, whatever it is. Anything that you can recondition, refurbish, make better, make look like new, you can make a lot of money. People sell a lot of stuff like this. They don't want to deal with it. And all you got to do is just clean it up and the value will explode. So look out for items like this because there's a lot of opportunity there. And this one is kind of my favorite. I look for stuff that people say is broken or not working or for parts because you can find so many awesome items there. For example, so many times I found printers where people are like, I don't know, it doesn't work. Something's wrong with it. And all it is that it has no ink or it's jammed or something simple like that. Something where you have to just reset it or you have to just fix one little thing or just mess with it a little bit and it'll start working. And people are literally giving this stuff away. And a lot of times it actually works. They just don't really know what they're doing or they need to refill something. They need to change something simple. So there's a lot of opportunity there. These are truly gems. And these are some great ways that you can find stuff to flip online and make some extra money. I hope you enjoy this information. I have some other videos about awesome side hustles that you guys can do. So check those out and I'll see you guys next time.